What law punishes corruption? You may want to read the full article. Just click the link in the description. Thank you. One of the biggest issues in the Philippines is corruption. Alongside the eradication of poverty, it is always included in the promises made by public authorities to be solved during their terms. In fact, the government has been taking steps to fight corruption in the nation by passing laws and enforcing penalties against it. For instance, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, also known as Republic Act 3019, was passed by Congress on August 17, 1960. It contains penal sanctions against bribery and corruption of public employees. Republic Act 3019 was enacted to prevent public officials and private individuals from engaging in behavior that would be considered graft or corrupt practices or that would lead to such behavior. Public officers must submit their statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth after taking office within the month of January or as may be required by law, upon the expiration of their term of office, or upon their resignation or separation from office, according to the country's primary anti-corruption law, which also aims to uphold the principle that a public office is a public trust. Republic Act 3019 adds illegal acts or omissions to the list of crimes that might result in punishment under the same law when performed, in addition to those listed in the crime of bribery and corruption of public officials in the revised penal code. Allowing himself to be persuaded, induced, or influenced to commit such a violation or offense is clearly a betrayal of public trust. Inducing, persuading, or influencing another public officer to commit an act that violates rules and regulations promulgated by competent authority or to perpetrate an offense in connection with the latter's official duties is punishable as a corrupt practice. Anyone who makes offers, makes promises, or delivers gifts or presents to a public official is subject to prosecution for the crime of corrupting public officials. Even if not made freely, the mere promise, offer, or giving of any gifts or presents is illegal. Any individual who makes the offers, promises, or gives the gifts or presents as mentioned in Articles 210 and 211 of the revised penal code will face the same penalties as the corrupted officer, with the exception of suspension and disqualification, under Article 212 of the revised penal code.